Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, this channel brings you clear, honest and direct news about South Sudan and beyond. We explain and we discuss things that are happening in South Sudan. Today we have serious and important updates. Tension rising in Kapoeta after shops were destroyed. Cattle raid in Jonglei despite security forces. UN peacekeepers setting up a new base in Duke County. Turkey scholarship now open for South Sudanese students. And arrest made in Juba over legal land demarcation. Before we move on with this latest update, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with tension in Kapoeta. We begin in Kapoeta. This morning, report came from local source saying that more than 50 shops owned by Dinka and Nuer community or Nuer traders were destroyed. Dinka and Nuer traders were destroyed. The destruction was reportedly carried out by Toposa youths. These youths are said to have demanded that Dinka and Nuer traders leave the area immediately. At this moment, it is not clear what started the incident. There's no official statement yet from the state government. That is important to note. We must wait for verified information before drawing conclusion. But let's talk about what this means. Kapoeta is a trading town. Many communities live and work there. Traders from different ethnic groups have operated businesses for years. When shops are destroyed, it affects families, livelihood, community, peace, and local economy. If 50 shops were damaged, that means many people lost their source of income. And when business stops, everyone suffers. Now, let's reflect carefully. South Sudan has experienced ethnic tension before. We know how quickly misunderstanding can grow into bigger conflict. So the key questions are, what triggered this action? Was there a dispute? Was there a rumor? Was there political influence? At this stage, we do not know. But what we do know is that forced removal of trader armed unity. South Sudan belongs to all citizens. Every citizen has the right to live and work peacefully in any part of the country as long as they follow the law. And we hope authorities will investigate the incident, protect civilians, prevent retaliation, and promote dialogue. Because if not handled properly, situation like this can spread tension to other areas. And nobody wants that. We'll continue to follow this story as more information become available. Let's move on to our second top story, cattle raiding in Jonglei. Another worrying report has come from Bor County. Youths believed to be from Murled attack a cattle camp belonging to the Angakwe community. This happened at dawn. And here is what is surprising. This happened despite the presence of government security force in the area. Jonglei headquarters have as a heavy security, you know that. Yes, the cattle camp was still raided. Let's understand why this is serious. Cattle in South Sudan are not just animals. They represent wealth, bride price, food, cultural identity, and survival. When cattle are stolen, it is not just economic loss, it is emotional loss. It creates anger. And it can lead to revenge attack. Cattle raiding has been a long-standing problem in Jonglei. Government have deployed soldiers before. Peace conferences have been held, but attack continue. This raises hard questions. Are security force effective? Are youth armed? Is there enough intelligence gathering? And is community dialogue working? If security forces are present, but the attack still happens, something is not working. The government must strengthen coordination, improve response time, work with local chiefs, disarm illegal weapons, and address root causes. Because military presence alone is not enough. Peace requires trust. Peace requires communication. Peace requires economic alternative for youth. If young people have job, education, and opportunities, they are less likely to join raid. This is not just a security issue. It is also a social economic issue. Let's move on to our third top story. UN peacekeeper set up base in Duke. Now to an important development involving the United Nations. For the first time since conflict broke out in the area, United Nations peacekeepers have established a temporary operational base north of Bor, specifically in Duke Padiet. This happened over the weekend. This is significant because previously United Nations peacekeepers were denied access to the area multiple times. Now they have been allowed in. The purpose of this temporary base is to engage local authorities, talk to community leaders, assess security coordination, monitor human rights concerns, examine report of conflict-related sexual violence, and review humanitarian access. That is a lot of responsibility. The United Nations Secretary General has also expressed concern about rising violence in South Sudan. He said nearly 10 million people, more than two-thirds of the population, urgently need life-saving assistance. Think about that number. 10 million. That is a huge humanitarian crisis. The UN is calling on all parties to stop military action, reduce tension, respect international law, protect civilians, and allow humanitarian access. When humanitarian workers cannot reach people, people suffer silently. Food does not arrive, medicine does not arrive, and support does not arrive. The UN President in Duke may help improve monitoring and support, but real peace must come from within South Sudan. International forces can assist, but communities must choose peace. Let's move on and look at this. The United Nations has expressed serious concern over ongoing attack on civilian and medical facilities. This is in Sudan. A report said drone strike near the Sudan-Chad border killed 6 people. 4 more later died from injuries in hospital already under heavy pressure. In South Sudan, 3 elder facilities were reportedly hit. At least 31 people died, including women, children, and elder workers. Attacking elder facility is extremely dangerous. Hospitals should be safe places. When medical centers are destroyed, injured people cannot receive treatment. Pregnant women cannot deliver safely. Children cannot receive care. More than 9 million people remain displaced inside Sudan. Humanitarian organizations are asking for more funding and safe access. War does not only destroy buildings, it destroys life, future, and hope. We pray for peace in Sudan. Let's move on to our next report. Turkey scholarship open for South Sudanese. According to the report, the Embassy of Turkey in Juba has opened application for the 2026 Turkey government scholarship. South Sudanese students can now apply for bachelor degrees, master degrees, and PhD program. Applications are open from January 10 to February 20. 2026. This scholarship is fully funded. It includes university placement, monthly allowance, tuition fees, accommodation, health insurance, one return flight ticket, and 1 year Turkish language course. This is a huge opportunity. Education change life. Education create leader. Education build nation. If you are a student watching this, take this seriously. Applications are free and must be submitted online through official Turkey scholarship website. Do not pay anyone. It is free. Opportunities like this do not come every day. Share this information with young people who need it. Arrest over illegal land demarcation in Juba. Now we return to Juba County. Authorities have arrested 5 individuals in Luri Payam. They were accused of illegal opening road and dividing land without authorization. Local authorities or local residents report the issue. The county commissioner together with security officer visited the area. The arrests are part of enforcement of a ministerial order that banned new land planning and demarcation in several counties. Land issues in South Sudan are sensitive. Land means identity, heritage, ownership, conflict risk. Illegal land allocation can create serious dispute. Government said it is committed to protecting public land and enforcing the law. Orderly urban planning is important for development. Without proper planning, cities become chaotic. Authorities are warning that illegal land activation will not be tolerated. Biakamal Gwasame, Banaracha Katichuk Chik, the Lat Karodian, which South Sudan, Kent Banling take a very important update there and there or the Jako Derekangajin, Umumla road exactly. Are we can South Sudan Kajan time me. Banaraketin corner to walk to down there and there killing a gua. A report of Bana Quen Gwasame, Kimanana Shalat, Banarach, Tejo Michalat Doroshalke Kapoeta, Chalado Shanwere Jang, Alanwer and Dinka Shaka took and when a more Guatemone la trader, Johnny, can a trader Nwere. La Dinka trader and Nwer trader Shaka Jogono Jana. Makulela very concerning along Jane. Can trader Johnny, can a Nwere Kapoeta, Kajodan Chalat, a wacha Tumiki and the shop Kajan DH. 50 shop. They shall destroy Kecha Yar Kecha Wang. And when he didn't contact a Kapoeta, Wakan Chaga Juguno Giana Chine Yagur. So Namani Ned Conan Dakador to Katoposa use. Can use the taken to native Conalatko, Chine Dinka, can and Nurshineka Gur, Kajan area, Kajan immediately. I order me can your pin. So right now I'm right corner, I'm going to tell Mishana Ladino, a woman couldn't trigger kid to Ogedi, about Jank and Nuerbaka took Dora money. Name among the tell official statement Michigan Kakum South Sudan tell Michana lot bana more information bana kejek but men bana ngajene Michala den go sha tungne shaka gek tungni jandang dich tin jane kan nying ware ana you the genu la families la ken church ko don jen godan jiken content we take by batch anyogbo ano ba tungno ba ka yar wala community la ja mu je tel mala chi mal cha teten so kuja money anyok another chuje lon ko economy la jega ko jen godan kwa kwala koktin ko kwa ngwanetin so na me chore lat mi cha tungni ti jandang die chaga damage and tem right now you know take issue me din meten wanamo ban ngoda kanalat bana more information bana ka je ka kor gwasen be ka je report me ko ngoda telemi chana nong tin ban me jitok jeno cha tungni chaga gak tung jandang die ka chaga destroy lo jikan ga yar already wana ka doro mo mishal ke bur kanti ka jom chala do nene sha hok jani ki ok dinka bur community ka bur kanti chala do sha ka page ke cha ka kwal murle shingwani murle tijen ka greater people administrative area shok chiken ka kwal ka jidwar chwal ka ngakui community watu ka wer gwa mishiga ben shukan ka kwal ka chala do tukume South Sudan tin SSPDF tikitin batel mi shikana lel ngai kon diale enu Jonglei Kuala Bor Janet Quarter men take heavy security right now and other under kwaltin bagaya na katukume tetin so na many emme bebe bukono ngaje no ne me shala do chaka kwal ngaje je gwano yang ajen la yang ji South Sudan jang men nuare ajen 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 kwen kamenoni ka jen la kone sham ko man bane kangai kono baka culture ne dial yang ajen dine jen ajen kuna la survive ka kwidemo so kwidemo ke report chalat awachi morle use chikanok kan kwalan winami batel me chalat chit ko damote je bone ketene yamu ka bot kine chili batalan jen wo chigok kan ganang so na me miditin me de kon dialaling report da den gwasmen ban nyok me de kon ling balla dung duk county la duk chala do ci UN peacekeeper awachi kan base chikan 11 winami chika lep ke base ka duk padiet jen gwadana chikan 11 ci UN chika we UN peacekeeper chala do cha kanang lo chika wen mo ka choji dan shuina ka je ka jen ko dan ci tok wani ke ngam ko gwazi dan ngai kon dialan go ci kuma kirim yadi chelogo no dare ji humanitarian da ka mo access ke de ko de na de kan ko lok ano but ke jen gwazi mi ci kuma ci wore jane gwazi jela tino ci kan yular no buko ker ka ji UN peacekeeper ci kan dore kan shulep ko be civilian kula rington mi don te kor mi ci to jen ta dan le rode ke be kan civilian be kan kula gang kan o don mi te mi ci rode lat den be kan kula tor ci go ka tai challenge je ne andi ne SSPDF wa kep kan men pin kep kan gwar pin and all that let kan ka so right now le rode jena ci UN a ci kala do ne nearly 10 million people shikapot re wucin ginami a gor kan lok ay wek ka South Sudan ka Jonglei ajen mo ken winami ko be kan ko lok ka jodan chalat gwas meni anyo gi wen chol Canadian no palakor kan stop military action jene kan shwa nyin taken kuma SPLIO taken kuma SSPDF ban ngai kon dialen cha kuma SSPDF cha lunga kapchong kan re konen jen wokan goten content taji SPLIO tikitin ajen mo ci korti olong maka bro de chong of course should can and go kora kap ko chong but could ba kap chong de ka shiker mi yadi chen no go kor bro de kap chong so na mem le rode ji UN shikan be shikan lep ko duk padiet report me a report dan cha no ngwas me ka de kon dial tiga ngai ka kwide report dina banyo mutup ko gwase me da la qui investment chala Turkey investment ro ke Juba waken chicken scholarship ni chicken karyaleka ka quiz student ni nyingi South Sudan en gwa dan titin jin student mo tika Uganda tika Nairobi ke Kenya tika Addis Ababa ke Ethiopia ka jira mu gor scholarship ka jin South Sudanese citizen ka jo chalat gwasame wa Turkey embassy gorkan gadwil gorka ka jo chalat gwasame chikala dun na ka jin 2026 de kontine ci Turkey government scholarship ne ka chakale ne re kontila South Sudanese student wajin gor jen bi apply gor jen be jelte ka ramagor bachelor degrees ramagor master degree ramagor PhD program kan application to cha khalef ka chang ka wel ka paikel woni ka chang ka jandang ro ka pairo minu don tama tiyen kin dang wel te der under application der je submit gwada antiting on gwada titin on January 10 away ne ka February 20 2026 ka wale January February 10 chidwa 10 days Carodian ko chatung ne ka chanka wel no ka paikel mele tin jena gwasme jin bugore jeno bi apply shi obuwe ka Juba ki buwe ka capital city and jen kuna applied online so mati online bi should apply ka online ka jen Turkey government scholarship website because amarian gwasme la benefit in chalat and scholarship me wa fully funded ti dia cha your pinten university placement monthly allowance tuition fees accommodation health insurance 110 flight ticket 1 year Turkey language course ti dia ti ga ti kan ga aleka gwa but toitin cha aleka yur kon bu cham cha aleka yudul gorga cha aleka en mu gwaye na nyok dung dul walu health insurance in case take jwe ti dial cha aleka kan nyok cha ju mu ke ticket wo ko dukan lu ni jok ti dial cha aleka man jok cha la do ne cha en ram mo gar ke Turkey cha la den wojen be tekaron kel gore Turkish language batuk Turkish be jakon gor no be kulo wedul gor ka ke be dul cause be kula lat alo bizil tika 1 year gore jeno be tika bi language mo be jagor ne me chalat so here is your chance gore no jin be mal applied be application be je top ko be mal way they can accept me don't see all the detail little gore can get shika fulfill kan dial so teleri ne me inshallah da ken man jagwa same tene de chayen ka Juba ne da ton yana ka Quimont ne da kontin ta kalwan ki authorities chala do shi ne dang de shi kan ga yen kuma shali luri payam kana wa cha ka gwanyin o kokkan mon ki da kan mon ki kuma South Sudan wa kan manet kana wa mijak shi kan wati kan ka chikan ka bai chikan commissioner kan security officer shi we gwada dan da ka muntin so chane to cha ka yen ka jo dan shalat no tel mun ba da ga tel kum so dan tel jengatin korun la ko kan ya tok so chari por mo chaje nong ye ana me agenda na gore de nyaa kon kel mi jram jedit ka Changfied YouTube channel gore no jin subscribe ko bi notification be ar bi jetwan ko mi temi ci bre be shamal shum ko ji ya temal